And welcome to How To Vids. This is my favorite TEMU product finds. All right, our first product that I'm going to show you is a banana slicer. I got this, I believe it was 85 cents. I thought it was pretty cool because it has like these little lines, right? And then you can actually just lay your banana flat on a plate. And if you want to cut through it, it will cut directly through on the banana. So you'll have your banana sliced up. If you're like me and you like to pop your fruit in the freezer to make it like a nice treat, you can do that. I've had people do that with chocolate. They've taken a little bit of melted chocolate, put it on a banana, and then pop it in the freezer for banana bites later. And that's their dessert. So that's just one way you can use this. But you can use this with cucumbers. I haven't tried it with a tomato yet. I wanted to see if I tried it with a cherry tomato, how it would work. Hey, Evans, how are you? Welcome to the stream. It's good to see you. I was telling Margaret, she was here a second ago. I was telling her how it was 3 ways to keep cool, but I've moved on. I'm doing another video right now on how you can use some of the cool TEMU products. I purchased some of these for myself, and I wanted to test them out, and they do work pretty good. So I got this banana slicer. And I was telling her you could use it for like cucumber slices, especially if you like for salads, or if you just are like me and you like to snack and you're trying to snack mindfully, you can use this also to cut through. So yeah, tell me, how have you been, Evans? You doing okay? So, all right, so that was one product. That was the banana slicer. Evan says, I have one of those. What do you use it to slice with? Same thing, just bananas and cucumbers? Evan says, I have one of those and I'm doing okay. Good, good, good. I don't know if you have this one. This one is pretty cool. All right, so when I got this is a pot, and it's a pot, I was gonna say a pot top. It's a top holder, right? But it also holds your utensils for if you don't want it directly on your stove. So I thought this was pretty cool. You just kind of take this piece, you slide it in, right? And then you put your top of your pot here. So any kind of water condensation that like formed on the top is not pouring on your stove, is going in here. So that's the good thing. Yeah, I thought this was pretty cool because it just helps with not making a mess, you know. And I think I got this one. This one was for 85 cents. You know, prices might change, but when I got it like a month and a half ago. So this was like 85 cents when I purchased it. But I thought it was pretty cool. And it's easy to clean. I just hand washed it really quick. Evan says, yep, bananas for overnight oats. That sounds so good. Now I want oats. I made banana bread the other day and it came out so dry. You're probably like, this came out so good, right? I had only one egg, right? And I wanted to see how it would work. And I was like, maybe it'll come out good. Like, I'm doing everything, like I'm following my regular recipe. But I will tell you, if you've only got one egg and you're trying to make banana bread, just make sure the expectations aren't too high. So Evan says, are these from TEMU? Yes, these are from TEMU. And I got it for like super cheap. I have a link, I believe, in the description where you can also get like a discount if you use the link that I gave you. And of course, I do get a small affiliate commission from it. It's not big bucks, guys. I get a little something. So thank you for using it. But I do get, like I told you, you get the discount code if you sign up with my link, and you can get like some cool stuff like this. I got one more. I got another thing. I got a few things, but I'm only gonna show you 5. I love TEMU. I already bought too much. Yeah, I know. It gets addictive. You know what's funny? The games that they have on there. I thought that was a wonderful idea. Margaret says they also have an avocado slicer and the watermelon cutter. I actually wanted those two, but I opted to get this. I was like, okay, I'm only going to get like 8 things. So I got, right now, what I'm going to show you is 4, 5, 6 things that I bought from there. So this one is supposed to help you to open jars, tops of like maybe soda bottles that you can't open, because I'll be honest with you, when I twist, sometimes I feel it right here. And you open it and it has almost like this type of grip right here in the inside. So that way when it does hold on to the top and you twist it, it opens up easily. That's what I like about it. So yeah, get you one of these if you find like that you have a hard time opening up soda bottles, water bottles, you use this. And I got this, I believe this one was for like $3. Yeah, it was like 2 and change. So about $3 I got this one for. Let's see. I bought a bunch of shirts. Love them all. What kind of shirts did you get? And Margaret, you know what? I didn't even think to get an avocado slicer. I think that's a great idea. A watermelon cutter. I need to get that. I used to grow that. Yeah, that used to be my thing. I used to do a lot of gardening. But because I've changed my occupation, I don't do the gardening as much. I got rid of the gardening bed, but if I come across my watermelon pictures, I will definitely show you on our next stream. You said all kinds. You know what? They have some good stuff on there. I like ordering from there because I seen plus size stuff there that were nice. And I was like, I wonder if this is going to run small. I was a little concerned with that because I've never bought clothes from there before. I've only bought like kitchen stuff. So let's see. Do you have your affiliate link, Melody? It should be in the affiliate link should be in the description, Margaret. Do you see it? Let me know if you see it because I put it there. Let's see. Evan says they have really nice diamond paintings. Oh, can you share? Okay, hold on one second. Let's see if I can put this. Hold on. No, that's for another one. Let's see. I'll go on my phone and see if I can do it that way for you, okay? Let's see. I have it though. Do I need to go into? I might have to go into my own live stream and do this so you could see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right, here you go. I'm gonna hold on. Let me try to. I'm trying. This is a little bit different for me, so just give me a second. Okay, here we go. Link. Okay, so I'm gonna give you my link in a second. I'm gonna give you my link. I don't know why it took me to this other thing. It's in the description though. If you look, I was trying to. If you go to my description, it should say it like right down here. I have 2 links. Click on the first one. If it does ask you, okay. And then let's see. Okay, thanks, Margaret. Evan says, watch for price changes. They give you a refund right away if items you bought drop in price. Yes. Also, if you don't receive your product within a certain amount of time, they will also refund you a partial amount for that. Yeah. I thought that was pretty cool too. I thought that was pretty neat. I was like, I don't know of a lot of places that do that, but you know, every bit counts. And you want to be able to save your money as best as you can, right? So that's one thing. I was gonna say also, Evans, you know, I I have gotten all my stuff one time. Yeah, so far I have too. I will say it's funny how sometimes my stuff is packaged because it does have a like it comes in sometimes like a ball and it's like taped up like all the way around. But I'm not losing my stuff, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna tell you something else I got. I got this ring light from there. I just got it right. Say like maybe a week ago or something. I got this ring light. You know, this usually goes between 15 $20. I got this for 4 and change. I couldn't believe it. So yeah, TEMU is my new place that I go to and I pick up my stuff. I got this. This is another thing that I thought that is really cool for like kitchen. If you like to make shapes with your food, right? If you like to make shapes with your food, especially if you're doing stuff for like grandchildren or maybe yourself, you could use this. They have these little molds, right? And all you've got to do is put your mold in the pan, crack your egg, put in the center of the heart, and then just let it cook. You could have it upright like this. So then when it's ready, you just pull it up. The egg is still in the pan. And then let's see. Evan says, yep, mine too. And then Evan says, I got 2 lawn chairs. They are really nice. They come in boxes. That's actually pretty awesome. I was gonna ask you how did they package it because mine doesn't come in boxes. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me see. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, Margaret. You are so sweet. I guess this thing is like modding itself. I don't know why. Um, if you need free gifts and the existing users to share with me the links, Evans, thank you. Thank you so much, girls. Always use those links that I put in the description because those are the ones that give me, like I said, the commission. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate you. You guys are like so sweet. You said mine's don't come in boxes either, just the chairs. Oh, okay, okay, yeah. Because I was expecting boxes, and then I seen this big bright orange bag, and I was like, "What is this on my porch?" And then I seen that it was TEMU. So I guess whenever I order TEMU stuff, that's what I'm always looking out for is that big orange bag. All right, so we got our banana. We got our banana slicer, right? Got our pot holder, got our bottle opener. This is going to be good for barbecues, right? I got our heart, I don't know what you want to call it, but this is like a heart egg cutter, right? A mold that you can put in a frying pan. And then I got this. I think y'all are really going to like this one. Check this out. You know, if you got like an air fryer, right? You could like put your stuff in the air fryer. Look at that. That has a little smiley face. He said always comes in big orange bag. Yeah, you can't miss it. That's what I like about it. You cannot miss it at all. This gives you a silicone based holder so you can cook anything you want in your air fryer. I thought this was pretty cool because I like silicone. This has been my best friend since the beginning of time, since I've gotten it, and it makes cooking easier. It also makes it easier if you don't feel like washing it, you can put a liner in this. I'm just telling you the hack, guys. Because sometimes the house gets so hot, you don't want to cook, right? Or you don't want to feel hot from any appliances being on. This is the hack. You use this, put a liner in it, and then put your food inside, and you could just use it another time. So yeah, pretty cool to be able to use. I thought it was neat. And it has these little handles as well. So great if you're heating up your food. All right. This is my last one that I got. This is a real cool thing. I had my kids playing with it, had Cleo playing with it. Like everybody wanted to play with this, and I could see why. And I still play with it today. Now, I will tell you something interesting. This is a bone conducting speaker, right? This is super small. You see how small it is, right? It fits in the size of my palm, right? Here's the box for it. Now, it didn't come in this box. I got this box because the speaker instructions say that if you put this on something that's hollow, it will amplify the sound even more from the speaker. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, let me go ahead and I'm going to try my best to put something on without getting a copyright strike. Let's see. I'm trying to think of something. Because we're on YouTube. It's not like when we were on Amazon, guys. Remember Big A? You can kind of play almost anything you want. But on the big YouTube, you cannot do that. That's a big no-no. All right. Let's see. What can I put on here? All right. I'm going to have to turn this on. Okay, so the first thing I will tell you that it tells you power on. Okay. It tells you to power on through this. But check this. It tells you to power on. So those were my favorite TEMU products that you've seen featured here. Be sure to go on to the next video so you could see amazing kitchen appliances and more. And be sure to like and subscribe to this channel as that does help us out. We'll see you in the next video.